it at home. It's a kit, and you could buy it at Walmart or somewhere else. And there's also taro right here, but I think I want to try the black tea first. So yeah, let's go and put it in the shopping cart. Okay, for all my items and this boba kit, and we're gonna make it at home. Guys, now we need to cut this, and we need to use some scissors. And the powder is right inside over here, and we're just gonna pour it in. And now let's just mix it. That should be good enough. So now let's just push the boba pearls down so I can cut it. The packaging of it. And the boba pearls look like that. So now let's just put this here. Now we need to mix it up. Or you don't have to mix it. Now let's put this in the microwave for 40 seconds, but I'm gonna do it for 30. Now we wait 30 seconds. And while we wait, I'll clean this mess up. And here are the ingredients and instructions. Let's put this spoon in the sink. Now it's ready. And now it's ready. You could put ice or no ice, it's your choice. Now let's get a cup. I'm gonna do my fancy cups. I called this one Fire or Flame like a nickname. So now let's just pour this in here. And there you have it. Okay guys, so let's make our boba now. Let's open it up. This is the powder. It comes in 3, and with the boba pearls, which are already cooked up. Also, it comes with 3 straws. Let's take one straw out. Whoa. Now put these ones back and keep the ingredients right here. And the instructions. So these are the materials. So I already have hot boiling water, and now all I need is to measure, like estimating, around like that. That should be good enough. So now let's try it. It tastes good, but too hot, so I'm gonna go get some ice. So I got my ice. I think that might be too much, so I'm just gonna put one and then I'm gonna put these 2 back. I'm gonna try and catch one of the pearls. I caught the pearl, and it's like a gummy, and Tastes good.
So again, I loved it, and I'll recommend it to buy, and I will definitely buy it again.